one fine morning last July, while going up the road before me, a red-haired girl I chanced to spy. I went up to her, says I, young lady, my donkey will carry too. But seeing as how you have a donkey, the Dingle Fair I'll ride with you. Now when we reached the town in Dingle, I took her hand to say goodbye. When a tinker man stepped up beside me, he melted me in my left eye, saying, take your hands off red-haired Mary, her and I are to be wed. We'll see the priest this very morning, tonight we'll lie in the marriage bed. I was feeling kind of peevish, my poor eye was sad and sore. So I tapped him gently with me hobnails, he fell back to Murphy's door. A policeman came around the corner, told me I had broke the law. Then the donkey kicked him in the kneecap, he fell down and broke his jaw. Well, he then went off to find his brother, the biggest man you ever did meet. But he gently tapped me with his knuckles, and I was minus 2 front teeth. Here we go! Take your hands off red-haired Mary, her and I are to be wed. We'll see the priest this very morning, tonight we'll lie in the marriage bed. Here we go! The red-haired girl, she kept on smiling. I'll go with you, young man, she said. We'll forget the priest this very morning,